Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a unboxing. Okay, so I finally got my camera in the mail. It took like 85 years, but it's alright. I got it now. But I'm about to unbox it and show y'all. So hopefully I like it, to be honest, because I did hear some stuff about it. Like the quality and then the audio quality. Like, I'm not expecting too much out of it, obviously, but alright. So this is the package. I was gonna do like a ASMR type video, but I was like, let me just talk. So it's a 4K ULTRAD digital camera, better life. We'll see. Warn tips: please insert the battery and memory card before use. Please format the TF card with your digital. I wouldn't call myself a professional, but I wouldn't call myself a beginner either. So the video resolution goes up to 4K, obviously. So they have different ones like this. They have the ones that open from the side, like flip open sideways. I got the one that flips open like that, like up, because I like that one. My other camera, my Sony that I had, it flips this way, but I sold it. Yeah. So here's the little, it's a little QR code. Dear customer, thank you very much for your order. Here's the manual. Okay, so they telling you how to set it up for the best quality, I guess, but I did see a video on YouTube on how to do that, so I'm gonna just watch the video because I'd rather just watch the video. I'm the type of person that I'm like a hands-on type of person, so I like to see stuff being done. I hate reading stuff. Like, if I have to read, I'm gonna read, obviously, but so first we got the little USB cord. That's how it looks. I have like 1,000 of these. Yeah. It come with a little cloth to wipe the lens and the screen. I don't need to open that right now, but y'all see it. Then it comes with a little, everybody's is different, I noticed. Like, these little things to clip on the camera to hold it on your wrist. I noticed everybody's is different, but whatever. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna try to show you as best as I can. Then it comes with a little sack to hold the camera in, which I probably won't use if I do not as often. But that's how it look. Other people's be looking blue. I don't know what color this is. It's giving gray, wanna be blue. Then it came with 2 batteries. Boom. I think there's one inside already. I'm not sure. And then here's the beauty. Here's the beauty. It is light. It's pretty light. I'm gonna give an honest review because I do want to know if I can attach a mic to this. If I can't, I'm gonna be upset because the audio I heard is, so yeah. I do like that it's matte though. I like it. See, it looks different. Like, this part looks different from a lot of cameras. I like how it feels though. It's matte. This is how it looks. And this is the front. I will be turning off the sound though. Like, you know how when you play with the buttons and make a noise? I don't like that. I've seen it in other videos and I don't like it, so I will be turning that sound off. Yeah, I would like to attach a mic, to be honest. So you put the little the SD card in here, that little slot up there, and then you charge it right here with the USB. But there are some mics that have that same, so I might be able to use a mic in that. I'm not sure. I have to see. Hopefully I can though. And then the battery goes right here. Okay, so there's 2 batteries. Alright, so I'll put one in now. Also with this, you have to charge the batteries while it's in the camera because it didn't come with a little charging case like the other ones do. So yeah, but anyways, here's how you flip it up. Yeah, it felt mad cheap when I did that. But what you expect? I did pay $62. It was $59, but with taxes, $62, and I got it from the TikTok shop. So this is how it looks when I open it. It doesn't rotate, but if you want to record this way like a selfie, then you just have to flip the whole camera, which is fine, you know, whatever. Alright, we're gonna turn it on and see. Alright, so it didn't make a noise. Okay, now it did. Special instructions in photo mode or video mode, shooting at close range. When switching between far and near scenes. Please have pressed the photo album. Hi, baby. Alright, so this is how the footage. I'm gonna insert, matter of fact, I'm gonna insert a clip of how the vibes is given. Alright. So we have to mess with the settings. Where's the flash? Oh. That wasn't hard at all. You just press this. Oh, the lightning button is right there. I'm bugging out. Hi, baby. Alright, so the record button, video and photo. So the T is to zoom in, I guess. Yeah, the T is to zoom in. The W is to zoom out. If you was to purchase this camera, you know what I'm talking about. We're gonna record with the regular settings the way it's already set, and then I'm gonna change the settings and then record and then see a difference and then put it in this video, you know. But I'm trying to see, is this the record button? Let me see. Hey baby, I got a new camera. Alright, I do have a habit of looking at myself a lot when I'm recording, so I have to focus on the camera, you know. But why it looks so zoomed in? I don't like that. I guess I can't expect too much. Yeah, no. What are you doing? Is it record? Yeah, it's recording. I don't know. I have to fix the. I don't like how it's looking. Oh wait. I mean, yes, I do. Yeah, I do. It's alright. I give the recording, like the quality, I give it a 7 out of 10. It's not bad, but this right here is better. But it's not bad at all. Alright, so I'm zooming in and out. So in order to stop it, I think it worked. I think I stopped it. So now we're gonna press the play button right here to go back. And then we're gonna go to video because I just recorded myself, and then we're gonna watch it. Nah, that's funny. In all reality, you just gotta learn how to mess with a camera, like a certain camera. You just gotta learn how to mess with it, and then you'll be able to get it right. It's very low on here, right? And if I want to download it to my phone, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I mean, to my iPad, because I had it on my iPad, so I'll have to see how to do that. But I did hear it dies fast, only because it's on the highest quality. So yeah, but I am gonna fix the settings. I'm gonna look up the video again if I can find it and see what they did to fix the quality and the audio, whatever they did, and I'm gonna come back to y'all if, you know, I'm gonna see if there's a difference. So I'll be back. I don't know if you can see a difference. I don't like that when I move the camera, I look white. I don't know. We're gonna see. I might just add filter, to be honest, to the videos. I don't know. But this is how I fixed it. It's alright. But I have to charge this and try to connect this to my iPad because it's hard. So yeah, I gotta try to figure this out. So I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So what you call it? Come here, baby. So yeah, I was messing with the settings. I already fixed the settings. Now I just have to figure out whether or not if I could get a mic for it and put it in that slot, because yeah, they did say it lasts an hour, like recording wise. It only lasts for an hour, which is okay, because I don't record straight for an hour anyways. I do like little clips and stuff like when I'm vlogging, so it doesn't really bother me unless I'm doing like a sit down and I want to talk and like without stopping. But I barely do those, so I'm gonna just stop it when I do wanna, you know. I attached this to my iPad. I downloaded the app, so I could always press hit stop and record on my iPad instead of getting up to grab the camera and do it. I do have tripods. I've been had tripods though. I have like 6. I have a lot of tripods. So yeah, one is right there, and I'm about to use it and see how it look with it and how I'm gonna film with it. It is charging right now though, because it was dying, the battery. So yeah, I do have another one in here. I forgot to put this away. So yeah, this ain't for you, boo. It's not. It's not. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I got this on TikTok Shop once again, if y'all want to go get it. They keep changing the prices. I don't know why, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Bye. She's like, don't touch me, baby. You came out of me, alright? I touch you if I want. Alright, bye guys. Bye.